we're making Chex Mix in our air fryer today. That's me, I am Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. Shaking it up, making some Chex Mix in our 30-foot fifth wheel trailer. We're using our air fryer. I want to remind you all to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Share us with your friends and family. Let's make some Chex Mix. We're gonna add some rice Chex, corn Chex, wheat Chex, and some fun pretzels, and some Cheez-Its, and some bugles for fun, and a little bit of roasted peanuts. And we'll make sure we stir all of our ingredients real well. Now let's make some sauce. We'll start our sauce with some melted butter, a little bit of Worcestershire, and some seasoned salt, a little granulated onion, and some granulated garlic. And we'll mix it up well, and we'll spoon it over our Chex Mix ingredients, and we'll do it in batches. We'll mix that all in real well before adding another bit of sauce over the top. Now stir it up again. We'll preheat our air fryer at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. And then we'll add all of our Chex Mix to our air fryer basket. And we'll load our basket into our air fryer. And we'll low air fry our Chex Mix at 200 degrees for a total of 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, shake it up and roll it around. And put some music on. You'll find your way. Today is also my incredible wife's birthday, and she wanted some Chex Mix. Happy birthday, babe. Air fry for the last 15 minutes. After 30 minutes are up, you have a big old bowl of beautiful Chex Mix. You can taste every ingredient one at a time. Or take a handful of all of your ingredients. Fantastic. Thanks, everybody. And if you like what you see here, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch. And if you are interested in this recipe, there is a link in this video's description that is right underneath this video, and it'll take you right to it on our website, and you can print it off and check out our other recipes we have too. Well, remember to share our video with your friends and family and give us a thumbs up. Take care of yourselves out there. Have a wonderful day, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.